Hello, it's Amy. Are you ready to kickstart 2025 by building healthier habits that actually stick? If you're over 50, like me, you know how tough it can be to stay consistent with new routines, especially when life keeps throwing you curveballs, and doesn't it always? But guess what? It's not about willpower, it's about strategy. Today I'm going to share 5 simple science-backed strategies, that's a lot of S's, to help you create habits that work for you, not against you. Plus, I'm going to tell you how you can put these tips into action together at my habit setting workshop on December 28th. So grab your coffee, tea or water or whatever you're drinking, and let's dive in. The first strategy is to start small, and I mean small. Think about brushing your teeth. It's quick, easy, it's automatic. That's the goal of new habits. Instead of saying, I'm going to work out for an hour every day, start with just 5 minutes of stretching. And don't forget to celebrate those wins. Every time you succeed, even that smallest step, you're reinforcing that habit. A pat on the back or a yay me goes a long way. Oh, I'm just looking in the monitor. That's a lot of purple. Number 2 is called habit stacking. This has been a game changer for me. Take a habit that you already do, like making your morning coffee, and attach a new habit that you want to do. For example, while your coffee brews, I want to learn to meditate more. Spend that time doing meditation or deep breathing or jotting down your to-do list. By linking a new habit to something you already do, it becomes part of your routine effortlessly. The third strategy is all about being realistic. I know it's tempting to go say, I'm gonna go lose 20 pounds by March, but let's be honest, big goals without a plan can feel totally overwhelming. Instead, focus on small, achievable steps, like taking a 10-minute walk each day. You're gonna feel more successful and motivated to keep going. Number 4 is a big one. Plan for obstacles. Life happens. Kids, grandkids, work, unexpected events, they can totally derail us. But if you've got a backup plan, you'll stay on track. Too tired for a full workout? Do a 5-minute stretch or meditation instead. The goal is to keep showing up, even if it's not perfect. Finally, find accountability. This could be a workout buddy, a supportive community, or even a journal where you can track your progress. I've seen firsthand how much stronger we are when we have someone cheering us on. That's one of the reasons why I created the Be Healthy Enough membership community. It's a place where we can lift each other up and celebrate every win, big or small. There you have it, 5 strategies to start and stick with healthy habits. Even if you're over 50 or over 60 like me, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive deeper, don't miss my habit setting workshop on December 28th. Together, we're going to create a plan tailored just for you so you can start 2025, yikes, feeling stronger, confident, and ready for anything. Click the link in the description to sign up, and I cannot wait to see you there. Oh, and if you're watching this after December 28th, go ahead and click the link below, send me your email, and I'll send you the replay and the workbook, okay? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you move better, feel better, and thrive in this second half of life. See you in the next video.